Mantra dual language ebooks are designed for schools and families accessing over 35 different languages. As a parent or individual, you can access a title at a time. As an institution, such as schools or libraries, EAL or ELL services, you can buy bulk licenses for a number of users at a significant volume discount. This video shows you, as an administrator, how to assign and manage different people within the same multi-user license agreement. Suppose that you have ordered a 25-user license to all 550 plus ebooks for a year. This would cost £180. You will be sent 25 access codes. An access code is an 18-digit number, and don't worry, you do not have to remember them. Now, suppose that you want to keep 9 access codes for 9 classrooms. Each classroom will have the full library. The remaining 16 codes will be for EAL or ELL parents. This video shows you how to allocate a code to an individual parent, and then, if the parent leaves, how to assign the same code to the next parent. Now I'll hand you over to the Kitaboo administrator.
Okay, so when you get set up as a Kitaboo admin, the first thing that will happen is we at Mantra Lingua will sign into our end of the account and set you up as an admin. So I'll just show what will happen for us then. So I'm just going to sign into our demo account. So from here, I can go into users, and it will be from here that I add you as an admin. So if I just put in demo admin at mantralingua.com, and you'll be assigned as an institute admin. That will give you full access to the back end where you can add and remove users. So click save. User's been added successfully. Once you've been added, you will receive an email in your inbox from noreply@kitaboo.com. So as you see here, you've got your username and your password. So going back to create.kitaboo.eu, this is where you'll enter that information. So you've got demo admin at mantralingua.com, and then you can just copy and paste the password across. This is just the default password to start with, and it can be changed once you've signed in. So you can set up your new password and set a security question. So from here, once you've signed in, you will then be able to disable and delete users. So if you've got 15 users in your account and they're all used up, but one of them decides that they don't want to use the ebook club anymore, then you can easily go into users, locate the user that you want to disable or delete. Disable will temporarily prevent them getting access, whereas delete will remove their account entirely. They won't be able to sign in at all. So if I just click disable on demo user 1 here, are you sure you want to disable? Yes, you are. So it's now grayed out. You can enable it again at any time. So what this does, it frees up that access code. You can now pass that on to another user, and that user will inherit the duration of that access code. So it will still expire at the same time, but they can now use the books themselves. So the next step is if I flick over to read.mantralingua.com, I'll now be playing the role of the new user. So if I go to the access code area here and I type in my access code, just click the little arrow to the right, and you'll be prompted to fill in your details to set up an account. So if I put in demo user 13, submit. So the account is now created, and the books are starting to load on the desktop. You can see the full library of books here. This is what the user will be seeing. Now, if we flick back to the admin account, now it may not have refreshed yet, but if we just hit the refresh button, you'll now see that demo user 13 has been added to the account, and now they can be also disabled, deleted, whatever, as and when you choose. So as you can see, it's very easy to add and remove users. If you want to issue the books just for a limited period of time, then you can sign on at any point, locate the name and email address of the user, and disable or delete them entirely.
As an coordinator, you can, for example, ask all EAL users to read one book. Then you can follow the group's progress with statistics of various aspects. And that will be the basis of another lesson. Bye!